Okay, we're back, and now we're going to talk about minor seventh chords again and review everything we learned on Wednesday. In today's section, we're going to learn about dominant seventh chords. We're going to learn how they're a mixed type of chord. We're going to learn about a mode, which is a version of the major scale that's been altered. We're going to learn about a mode called Mixolydian. So you're going to learn a lot of new stuff today. But first, let's recap our minor seventh chords. We learned that D minor 7 could be written with D and a little m and a 7. We learned that it could also be D min 7 or D dash with a 7. We figured out we had to get the minor scale somehow. And so some people like to think of it this way. Start with a major scale, and then we have to lower the 3rd, 6th, and 7th. So F becomes F natural, B becomes B flat, and C becomes C natural. Okay? The modal numbers underneath are 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, and 8. Okay? Then we had to go through and circle all of the odd numbers. We have D, F, A, and C. So a D minor 7 chord was D, F, A, C. Go ahead and play that. Okay, and it sounds very mellow and very soothing and kind of laid back. Okay, it's used in jazz a lot. And so we learned the smiley face diagram. We learned that it's got a root and a fifth that are straight faced. We hardly ever see these change at this level of theory. You will see it change a lot in the next level of theory. And then we have a smiley third. No, we don't. We have a frowny third. Frowny third, and we have a frowny 7th. Okay, so a flat 3 and a flat 7. And we also learned the sentence that says a minor 7th chord is a minor triad with a minor 7th. So we learned the quickest way to get it would be to just play a minor chord and then go octave minus a whole step. So if you need a quick version of it without having to think through all this theory, just play a minor and then go octave minus a whole step. Any questions on the minor 7th chord? Yes, Dan?
Could it be also from the 5th, a whole step?
It's not a whole step from a 5th, it's a minor 3rd up from the 5th.
Oh yeah, minor 3rd.
A up to the C.
So
Yeah,
it's
some people look at it that way. If you want to look at the intervals, there's a minor 3rd here, and there's a major 3rd here, and then another minor 3rd.
Makes sense.
So some people like to look at it that way. Some people even like to count all the half steps in between. So if you want to do half steps, there's 3, 4, and 3, if you like doing all that counting. But to me, that takes too long. I'd rather just memorize my scales and then think of every other note. Okay? Good.